Hey everybody, super excited to share with you the iGarden K60 cordless robotic pool cleaner. The company did send me this in exchange for a product review, so this is a sponsored video. All right, this is going to be a hook to put on your pole that you use for, your net, your skimming pole that you have, your metal pole. Everybody's got a pool, usually has a pole, right? This is going to be the little hook that you're going to put in the end of the pole to lift the pool cleaner out of the pool when it's finished cleaning. So that's what that's for. And here's our power cables to charge the pool cleaner up. So we're gonna use that to plug it in here inside so we can get ready for charging it up, right? Simple enough. Yeah, we're gonna connect those. Yeah. Just gonna screw that together right there. That's pretty simple. All right, very good. We'll need that. Here's our owner's manual right here. Look how pretty that is. It's a beautiful, beautiful machine. That's what to expect in the box. Now this is going to be how you pull out the basket. We're going to go over all that stuff, but there's the basket. That's where all the particles and debris gets caught in the basket. Right there. You can see underneath it, here's the brushes that this kicks up the debris from the bottom of the pool. Here's where the inlet is right here. This is where it's sucked up into the basket. These brushes here also brush on the wall when it climbs the wall. Big tracks on the side right here. This is the on button right here. And then, of course, it has a display here at the top. But before we do anything, we're going to have to charge it up. Pull this off of here. Now it's got a rubber thing on it to prevent water from getting in. But here's our charging cables right here. And there's our charging device that they included. Now there's a round end and a square end, so that way you don't plug it in the wrong way. There we go. All right. Gonna undo this right here. Now I have used several devices like this over the past several years, and these things are always nice, and they always come out with redesigns, and the idea is basically the same, but each company comes up with their own different designs and things, and this is certainly probably the nicest one I've ever seen that I've had my hands on. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in. So you can see right here we've got the little lights on, so when we get 3 full lights, that means it's fully charged. It looks like it did come with a slight charge already. We're going to go ahead and let it charge up, and then we'll go from there, okay? We're going to let it charge up and go from there. So we'll let it fully charge. It's blinking on number 2 right now, so as soon as we get 3 full lights right here, we'll be fully charged. But that's what's in the box. iGarden Pool Cleaner K Series. This is the 26 version. Our little hook, charging cable, and a well-packaged pool cleaner, robotic pool cleaner. We're gonna have a lot of fun with this, guys. If you're getting ready for your pool season, you don't have one, it's definitely something you want to take a look at it.